Have you ever gouged or scratched a piece of furniture? It can be a big mess. Well, today we're going to work on fixing that and making it look much better. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So this is a side of a desk, and I think what happened here is a chair probably hit this area and scratched off the finish. And these aren't deep at all. I can scrape my finger there and just barely nick it. But I've got a couple of things. I'm not going to fill it at this point because it's just not deep enough. But I've got a stain marker, and I've got a couple of furniture markers, and they're different colors. So I want to start with the lightest color first, and if that doesn't work, then I'm going to move to something darker. This is a kind of a medium brown. Looks to be a little too light on some of these. Some of it is perfect. So I will let that sit for a minute and then come back with a darker color. Okay, so you can clearly see where these scratches are still, so I'm going to come with a darker color still, and this is still going to be not dark enough because you can still see it. So I'll let that sit up for a minute and come back. I'm going to try to fill this in a little bit and see if I can get that to go away a little bit. This is a soft furniture filler. And the idea is just to kind of go across the scratch. Scrape it off a little bit and then maybe hit it with a bit of stain. So I've got a scraper here. This is a curved face too. Okay, we'll let that dry for a minute. Okay, that's dried for a minute. I'm going to hit it with some of this stain marker here, and then I'm going to let it dry a little bit more. Now that is really dark. I'm going to dab that a little bit. Okay, I'm going to let that dry for a minute, and then I'll dab at it a little bit more. We are getting closer. Gonna let it dry and come back. Okay, well, I gotta tell you, I'm pretty surprised. Through a series of dabbing and rubbing, it's come out really nice. It's not invisible, you can certainly see it, but certainly is a lot better than a big ugly gouge sticking in the side of a piece of furniture. Well, as you can see, that wasn't a difficult repair, but it did take a lot of trial and error. a lot of tweaking, different colors, one color on top of another, starting out light first and then moving to progressively darker colors. And a little dabbing and polishing there at the end. But in the end, it came out pretty good. You can still tell a little bit, but it'll pass under most scrutiny. Hey, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.